This is my drip catcher that I made for my rat bug engine, and every time I shut this thing off at night, there'd be one drip under the breather tube. So I made this thing I call the drip catcher, and I'll show you how to make one. It's real easy. Making a drip catcher is pretty simple. Get a piece of 3/4 inch PVC, about 4.5 inches long, and you're going to use a hose clamp to hold it on. So I cut 8 little cross hatches here, slip the hose clamp down on, cinch it down, and you're good to go. I drilled a hole all the way through this with a drill bit that was big enough to accommodate 6mm, but just big enough that it would allow the bolt to cut its own threads through the PVC, and you're going to want to hold on to that. You screw it down. You'll feel it when it locks down. Now, I used an enlarger bit so the head would pass through the PVC pipe. Then you take a Dole pineapple juice can, and I left the label on so you know what to look for. But I drilled a hole in the back side of it big enough for that 6mm bolt to go through. Now I'll strip this label off this can here real quick. You want to drill that hole kind of towards the middle of the can. You'll get it figured out. And then all you do is you slip that bolt through there, put a nut on it, and cinch it down. Stick the Allen wrench down there through that hole. See, that's what I'm saying, you're going to have to hold it to cinch this down. And there you have the drip catcher. Now you can also take this, I got some coarse steel wool. I used one of those copper scrubbers in mine because I had it. But you can use steel wool, you can use a copper scrubber, whatever you want, but when this starts to get full, you just uncinch it, pull it down, and there you have it. So anyways, it's a real cheap fix and eliminates one source of drips on your driveway from your Volkswagen.